Welcome to Car Key Solutions, car key and vehicle security experts. A topic today about BMW car keys, the range of keys used by BMW along the years, and possible defects and way of maintenance on different types of keys. We have here on the bench most popular car keys used by BMW, starting from late 1990s with the U-shaped keys. One of the first all-in-one remote and blade key used by BMW. A key that was quite secure in terms of the blades, not easy to be cloned, easy to maintain, a rear cover where the battery can be replaced. Overall, we would say quite a secure key and easy to be serviced. Going forward, they have changed, moved to the diamond shape, as it was called, key. A key that definitely has a nice look. The downside on those types of keys that they have made in different type of blades. As you can see, this is the old type of blade with a channel in the middle. The other one is slightly different. Like I was saying, the downside on them is that those keys, as BMW have made them, there's no maintenance available, meaning that when the battery goes flat in them, the remote stops operating and they cannot be serviced because the case is sealed, is glued together. So the BMW have built those keys with the idea that they are non-serviceable, and when the key goes down, the battery goes down, or buttons they do go faulty, the key simply needs to be replaced. Now going forward, BMW have moved to probably I would say the most popular key that is on nowadays on BMW, which is the dash key, as it's called. The key doesn't feature a blade for ignition, it just enters into a plastic slot. However, it holds an emergency blade, which enables the vehicle to be open when the remote function has stopped from whatever reason. Definitely an upgrade compared with the old one, even nicer design. Again, downside on this remote is that is again a non-serviceable remote, meaning again when the battery goes down or buttons they stop operating, the remote simply needs to be replaced as BMW says anyway, so they are not able to offer service on those remotes. Now moving forward, 7 Series feature a different type of key. This is early 2000, a bit bigger key than the other one. By the way, this key has been used pretty much on all series. 1, 3, 5X is yeah, many series they have used this key, even up to 2012-13 it can be found on some BMWs. Anyway, this key is only specific to 7 Series. Again, a key that is not serviceable. Again, when the battery goes down, the key has to be replaced. Nice design also. So from those keys, BMW they moved to the big keyless key. So from early 2010, I think probably even 2009, some of the BMWs they start using the keyless technology, and all the models that were equipped with this type of key. So from 2009, I would say, since BMW changed to F chassis, they have replaced all those keys with this type of key, which is a keyless key. This keyless key features an emergency blade. which again enables vehicle opening when the battery goes down on the key or on the car, or remote stops operating for whatever reason. The other thing on this key, the keys features a keyless function, meaning that it doesn't need to be inserted in any slot. It just needs to be held inside the vehicle, and the vehicle will start of a push of a button. Some newer version of BMWs, they've changed to a more stylish key. Again, keyless technology. It's just the difference of design. Basically, you can find those types of keys on same cars. The new one, this is more like an upgrade key on your vehicles, but it's possible when a key is ordered from the factory, even that originally had the old type key, when a replacement is issued, it might be the new one. It does happen. Obviously, along the years is known vehicle, they have also security problems. I would say most vulnerable key out of all those, it was this type of key, which the time that they were building these cars equipped with this type of key, lots of them they had many problems. Lots of cars they've been stolen because the immobilizer system was not so well protected. Over the years, software updates have come on, and they've tried to make the system more secure. They managed eventually, but it was a big problem with the BMWs equipped with this type of key. Apart of that, the keyless technology, but this is not only BMW. Most vehicles are vulnerable, where the keyless keys they can be cloned with different devices out on the market. So I would say this one, it would be the worst key. And keyless technology, they also problem, as I was saying, the problem is across the range. By far the most secure key, we trust to say, is the old one, due to the nature of the immobilizer system and so of the blade. Here are the car key solutions. We make car keys for all BMWs, pretty much I would say 99% of the BMWs on the market today, even 2019. And on top of that, what we could also do, all those keys that they are not serviceable, we can do service. So we have the option of opening those types of keys that they sealed, replacing buttons inside of the board, checking the board for any possible defects, repair them, and assemble them in new casing with new accumulator. Obviously rendering a non-functional key into useful key again on operation. Also the diamond keys, we will also service those on. We can open them again, check the board, replace switches, accumulators again, and fit them in a new in the new casing. New keyless keys, we haven't seen many failing so far, but again, we could service those also. So any car keys on BMWs are covered by Car Key Solutions, starting from servicing, a simple remote not operating function, and we could say we can create pretty much any BMW keys. Thanks for watching Car Key Solutions, and do give us a call or send us an email if you like to find more information about our services and how we can help you with your BMW car key.